Hi, welcome to Lab 4. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on steps 1 and 2. That is setting up the work environment and preparing training and test datasets. First, we are going to load all the packages that we are going to use in this tutorial. Following that, we are going to set up the working directory where all of the datasets are contained. So this is what we have been doing in steps 1, 2, and 3. After that, we are going to load all the data sets that we are going to use in this tutorial. Okay, so here we are going to load the Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-1 data. Please take note that the Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 datasets are from the rainy, post-rainy, and dry seasons. Then here we are simply going to combine all the Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 datasets into an object which I've called here Raster Variables. After that, we are going to load our training data. Please take note here that our training data are polygons. Okay, so this is different from the previous labs where we had points. Okay, so next we want to check our raster variables and training data. So we are going to run the print and summary functions. Right, we can see that here under the naming we have a different notation. Okay, for example, band 2.1 simply means that this is a band 2 from the rain season. Band 3.1 simply means this is band 3 from the rain season. And here we have a band 2.2. This also means that this is the band 2 from the post-rain season. Band 4.2 simply means this is a band 4 from the post-rain season. Right, we also notice that our lane cover classes are still imbalanced. We have a high number of the built-up and the grass open areas. Okay, so what we want to do is to try to balance these lane cover classes. So first, we are going to create a vector of unique lane cover classes. And then after that, we are going to sample the same number of random points in all the polygons. That is the polygon for each lane cover class. So here we only need 800 points, okay, per lane cover class. So this is going to be our number of points. After that, we are going simply to display these training points on top of the Sentinel-2 imagery. Right. Following that, we are now going to extract the spectral reflectance and backscatter values from the Sentinel-1 and the Sentinel-2 bands. Remember here, we are using both Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-1 um, raster bands. Okay, so after extracting the points, we can check the structure of this data set. And here we can see that we have the response variable, which are the lane cover classes. And then we have the predictor variables, which are all the Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-1 bands from the different seasons. Right, so after that we can just check the number of training points. So we can see that we have 800 points per each lane cover class. Right, so next we want to check if there are any duplicates. So if we run this code, we can see that there are duplicates. So we want to remove these duplicates. So we are simply going to run this code which removes the duplicates. Right. So after removing the duplicates, we also run again this code using the table function to check now the total number of remaining points after we've removed the duplicates. So we see that we still have an imbalanced data, but there are some improvements in the distribution of the training points. Okay. So following that, we are just going to partition our data into training and test data sets. And then we just run this code, and then that's it for steps 1 and 2. Right, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. This is important because you get alerts when I have a new tutorial. Right, see you in the next tutorial, which is going to be step 3.